This is the solution video for Now You Try number 1, where we want to identify the altitudes in each of the triangles below. So we're going to start with part A here. Identify the altitudes in triangle ADC. So first thing is the altitude is a segment drawn perpendicular to the opposite side. So triangle ADC. So I want to make sure that I'm only selecting sides from that triangle that we've highlighted here. And so sides that are perpendicular to one another in this diagram would be X and H. Right? If we look at triangle BDC, I want to identify segments that are perpendicular in this triangle. So the only segments perpendicular are H and Y. And then if we look at the outer, the larger triangle, we're looking for altitudes drawn from a vertex perpendicular to the opposite side. So again, I'm outlining that triangle here. So I see that B is an altitude, A is an altitude. And if I go from vertex C perpendicular to AB, H is also an altitude. So if you look at these three triangles here, if I have a right triangle with an altitude drawn in it, notice that H is common. That height, that altitude is a common leg in each of those triangles.